So we have lots of installation teams. They're all on staff, and the quality of the install to us is just as important, if not perhaps more important, than the quality of the product that we're installing. So they're all very highly trained. We've got about 7 or 8 teams that work for us directly, and they're very, very passionate about solar and very, very passionate about the workmanship. So we have internal quality insurance programs, so we do regular audits of our own installs, and then there's also an additional external inspection that's done for every system that we install. So right the way through from making sure that the panels are installed in accordance with the manufacturer's guidelines, right the way through to making sure that all the components we use are going to last just as long as the equipment that we're installing with them. So one of the main differences between some of our competitors is that we do it all in-house. There are solar-only retailers out there that will subcontract the installation, and for me that tends to lead to a lower quality outcome for the customer. So we have lots of internal teams, and those teams are very passionate about what we do, and it means that there's very good lines of communications between the people that are selling the systems, the people who are designing the systems, and also the people installing it. So overall the customer gets a better outcome because all of those people are working on the same team.